Ka Office Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training DECT kalakot application yaki candidates kiba day ki nongshong shnong jong dari India na kabenta ka training officer haka contractual basis. Ka last date ban submit yaki application form kanlong haka arpeu South Tribuna Bibra arhajar arpeu. Ka post kalong kumni harum ka post name Training Officer for Mason Building Constructor. Ka post kalong kaway ka place posting ITI Philip Nagar. Kerta kalong ka pras nem hado akunyaus nem ka relaxable na benta ka SCST kalong kat ka government rules. Ka jingsiw kalong lai pulai hajar shibunai. Ka kerdan pule kalong pidai bandon ya ka kerdan haka degree in civil engineering. Pat pidai ru bandon ya ka experience ka basisnem lene diploma in civil engineering pidai ru bandan ya ka experience kumba asnem lene NTC NAC in trade of craftsman civil pidai bandan ya ka license experience. Ki candidates kiba don interest kila ban pha ya ki application standard form jongki but ka self attested office check ke Directorate of Employment and Craftsman Training limba ke email. Ya ke link jong ke email pila ban shem hapo ke description pila ban klik direct nang tu. Ya ke standard form jong pidai ban pendap ya ke mailing address bat contact details. Ledakam biang pinsa sya reject. Tangna ke benta ki candidates ki basya select ki bala ban sya khot ya ke interview. Pidai ban ai yaki original certificate jongki hakapor ba pilih itu. Kublai shibun para lok para jor tes ngau ba ban like share ba subscribe ya kene ke channel jongi kenang ba pin la ban tip benya na ke benta ki bai pat ki video.